multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Question is multiply 21 by 10. How to do this question? Look carefully. 21 multiplied by 10. So first we'll write here 21 multiplied by 10 is equal to 21 multiply 1 10. Children, now you must be thinking, why did I write 110 here? So children, how many zeros are there in 10? 1. Because 1 0 put with 1. So it is called 110. So it is called 110. Clear? Now put is equal to, in bracket we have to write 21 multiplied by 1, bracket close, and write here 10. Okay, so children, now multiply. Let's multiply 21 1 ja 21. So write here is equal to 21 10. This 10 right here. Children, why would we write this 10 here? Because it is asked in the question. Then 2110 is equal to 210. You can see that 1 0 put after 21. So it is called 2110. Clear, children? Next question is 94 multiplied by 100. So first we'll write here 94 multiplied by 100 is equal to 94 multiplied by 100. Okay. Now you can see 100 is written here. So we have written here 100 in words. Because 20 put with 1. So it is called 100. Clear, student? Now we will put is equal to, in bracket we have to write 94 multiplied by 1. Now bracket close and write 100. Let's multiply 94 1 ja 94. So we put is equal to 94. Now we will write this 100 here. Okay. Now is equal to 94 100. Okay. 9400 94 hundreds. Okay. Next question is 53 multiplied by 1000. So first we will write 53 multiplied by 1000. Now put is equal to and write 53 multiplied by 1000, write in words. Okay. Now you can see 1000 is written here. Then we have written 1000 in words. Okay. Because 30 put with 1. Because 30 put with 1. So it is called 1000. Clear? Now we will put is equal to and will write in bracket 53 multiplied by 1. Bracket close and write here 1000. Let's multiply 53 1 ja 53. Now we will write here this 1000. 53, this 1000 right here. So So answer will be 53,000. Now put is equal to, children, 53,000 means 53,000. Clear, children? Children, in this way we can say that when to multiply a number by 10, we have to put 1 0 to the right of the number. Okay? And here, when to multiply a number by 100, we have to put 2 zeros. We have to put 2 zeros to the right of the number. And here, when to multiply a number by 1000, we have to put 3 zeros to the right of the number. Clear, student? I hope you all have understood these questions. Clear?